Hey guys, in this video I'll be giving you two praise baseline exercise that will be helping you play your praise very well. So if you're a beginner, I recommend you watch the video to the end so that you know how to apply this exercise in a simple praise, okay? But before we start the breakdown, if you are new to this community, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons if you're interested. You see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on any of the link and to take you direct to my WhatsApp. So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so we'll be looking at this progression. So we'll be doing this exercise on key F. So let me show you the first exercise, then I break it down for you. So this first one, I'll say it's somehow simple, but not that simple, okay? And it's also a baseline. So in case you meet this progression out there, you can also apply it, okay? But you need to make it easier for you here before you can apply it somewhere, okay? Let's look at what I did in this first exercise. I'll just play my root and octave and the note in between them. Okay, so we have do, that is your root, do re mi fa so, sol la ti do. So I was playing do so do. Okay, this is an exercise because when you master this, the flexibility will be available in your fingers. You understand? This will take you direct to the second one. So first, let's look at what I did. I slide, then okay, so you see this pattern, so something like do. Let me show you how I played it first before I show you how to use it. Okay, so you slide 1 5 1. There will be a ghost note here, so 1 5 1 1 5 1 1 5 5. Okay, so if you have understand how to play this, try and do it in the do re mi. That is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, pam 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 to your 2, your 3, your 4, 5, your 6, your 7, and your 1. You understand? So when you do that, try to discern. Okay, so that anytime you are to use this bass line in a song, you will be feeling comfortable when using it. Okay, so this is how I apply the ghost note. Okay, so I pluck with my first finger 1 2, that is, this finger is playing your 1, the same first finger is playing your 5, and the second finger is playing your 1, that is your octave. So this finger here will play your ghost note. Okay, so look at my finger, then the second finger plays the note, then now the first finger plays your root. So when you've done with that, okay, you understand? So playing this will now be easy for you. You understand? So you can take it directly back to your first fret where you have your F over there and your 4th string. Okay, you understand? So let me play there and see how it will sound. Playing it here will be a little bit different than here, okay? So when you are rehearsing, try and learn how to do it here and learn how to do it here, okay? So before we jump into the second exercise, let me give you some passing notes you'll be using in this first exercise as in baseline, okay? So that when you are playing it, you won't just be playing dun, 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 dun. You understand? You'll be trying to put in some passing notes to just spice it up the groove, okay? So make sure you have mastered the exercise before you can jump into the second step, that is you putting on passing notes to just spice it up the groove, okay? So it's very simple. 1 2 3 to your 4, then to your 5 5 6 7 to your 1, okay? So dun, 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 dun. 1 2 3 4. Now to your 5 5 6 7 1. You understand? Okay, this is just a bonus. There are many songs out there you can get this progression, then you can apply this to it, okay? So now let's jump into the second exercise, okay? So this second one, you have to take your time to learn this very well, okay? It is in two ways, and I'll show you the first way so that this first way can guide you and you playing the second way can be easy for you, okay? So now let's look at the first way. It is the same progression, the same key, okay? So it goes like this: your root and your octave, then you'll be playing your 3 on that your 1 progression, okay? So do do mi, do your octave and do your root. You understand? Okay, so dun 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 dun. Take it slow like this. Dun 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 dun. Now to your 4 4 4 6 4 4. Just do it like this: 4 4 6 4 4. Now to your 5 5 5 7 5 5 5 5 7 5 5 1 1 3 1 1. See how I am using my fingers to play it. My third finger is now playing the mi. So you see that I'm not struggling. This is helping you maintaining your fingers on the right note, okay? So you don't need to struggle. You understand? Just be comfortable, okay? So dun, 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 dun. Your 4 5 Okay, so now you should be bringing a ghost note. So you playing that ghost note on that your 3 notes. 3, okay, 1 1 3 1 1. Just 1 ghost note, okay? Do it simple. Your 4, the same pattern. Your 5, you understand? Back to your 1, okay? So now let's look at the second one. It's the same. So now you'll be bringing 1 5 1, okay? 1 5 1 1 5 1 1 5 1 3 1 1. The same to all the groove. Okay, so 151 311 414 644 525 755. The same way you apply the ghost notes in this same pattern. Okay, so take time and learn everything. Okay, I promise you, when you get this song or when you get any progression that looks similar to this same song or to the same progression, if you remember this bass line, you'll be able to play it. Like, you'll be able to play it so cool, and everybody will understand your groove. Okay, so let this exercise fit your fingers very well, and make sure that when you've done with this exercise, master them, not looking to the fret and just playing it normally. It also helps a lot. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Good luck to this lesson, and bye for now.